What's up, everyone? So the item Sarah had got me is here and I have to set it up, so therefore why I had to clean everything, and Sarah's helping me.
Well, I love to make sure I can gift you things that mean you have to clean.
Make me work more. She likes to see me suffer. We're doing a deep cleaning in here. Deep. Cleaning this all out, and I found a bag of a bunch of goodies. Keyboard cleaner. I don't know what this is. Oh, outlet things for kids. Mine are too old. What is this? Silver rolling ball. A weird pen. Sticky notes. Oh, the kids are gonna be so happy. I found parts for their little cars, their RC. Have you ever had those cars when you're younger and you hit the trigger and they go on a loop and they loop, and they fly off track? These are the little points. So be excited for that. These things are for those plastic stacking shelves I got rid of. I'm gonna get rid of those. You just have to be in a mood for cleaning. I'm just not in that mood. I gotta clean that corner. That's my paint. I'd like to put it in there, but those are full. That's all stamps and them flat glasses I have. And that's tags and towels. This is much better. Got all my wood over here, different scraps, and then I got acrylic. That's all I have left, acrylic, so I might have to order some more acrylic. And then I got the paint right down the center. So that'll work. Well, the deep clean is almost done. Now we have to put the desk back, put all this stuff back together, put all this back together. I'm done with my old computer, and then I have that shelf. Does anyone do deep cleaning once a year? We try to do it every spring.
It's not spring yet, Matt.
It's close enough.
I'm ready for it.
We had a slow week. You know, and by the way, remember that last video from last week? And I said, typically, now that I'm putting it out there, we're going to be slow this week. Then all of a sudden, bam! Bam! More orders. We're in a time crunch. And it's hot down here. That wood stove's just hot. Whew! So, the struggle is real. This is difficult. I don't think I get someone a gift and then just watch them put it together.
He's doing great.
Because I would have it put together for him before I actually gifted it to him.
So, like you do that for your kids.
I do every Christmas. It's doing it. Sure, it's maxed out. This desk can go 355 pounds. It can lift. So I'm pushing it. I'm under 355 though. Don't joke around. Not that funny. She grunts a little bit though. When there's no one on here, it goes up a lot faster. This is high. Definitely not this tall. Alright. Well, this is like a deer stand now. This brings lazy to a whole new level. That's not a whole new level. Yeah, you'll see what I mean here in a second. No more manual levers for me. Or setting on boxes. So that's the sanding height. Ta-da! Now, let's go to sitting height. That's pretty slick. Me like me like a lot. Now I have to go through all the dreadful pain of putting all my stuff back together. But at least now, like this kind of stuff I like. Like this keyboard is just dusty. Not anymore. I'm gonna dust it and clean it. 2 things you need. Oh yeah. So dirty. Ugh. Woohoo! Look at that. It's like brand new. It's my favorite keyboard. You know, one of the things I love about it, this button right here. Calculator. The one thing I really like about this FlexiSpot Pro Plus Standing Desk E7, the safety features and the wires underneath. You can see the wires are all neatly tucked away and looks really nice. So in the drawer I got my sanding disc for the glass, caliper, ruler, thumb drives, and pens. So I am really liking this desk. One thing I'm going to change is they offer a stand with 2 monitors. So the monitors will be a little more eye level, because right now I'm looking down. So that part I'll get on there. So this will go up a little more. So then I'm at a good level for typing. This is awesome. Thank you, Sara, and thank you FlexiSpot for helping out. And Sara, she's always got something up her sleeve for me. Something going on. She's always a trickster, that one. I gotta start answering some emails. And I've got a call for the Patreon guys. It's a one-on-one call, an hour long. So answer a bunch of questions quick on the emails, and then back to work I go. Start up these lasers. I got a couple more things I gotta run. And that is it for the day. Boom, done. I'm liking the desk. I really am. I'm thinking, because this is a bamboo top, what if we take the X tool and put it on top? Engrave. I gotta come up with the business logo. You know what, you guys, I don't have one. Did you know that? Every time I draw one, I like it. Sara doesn't like it. Sara does one, I don't like it. She likes it. So we just haven't found one that we like. So, but maybe I should do like some deer skulls on here, and I don't know, just a bunch of stuff I like. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.